Hi there, welcome to your next task. This one is showing you how to create a digital avatar of yourself. So you can see an example over there on the left side of the slide. So you can see that's me saying hi, and you can see a cute little heart coming up. That's actually what this task is about, is not only creating a digital avatar and bringing it into slides, but giving it a little bit of animation, making it stand out just a bit. If you haven't, to create your digital self, you will need this Chrome extension called Bitmoji. You may have already created one. If you're on Snapchat, then you probably already have this. But if you're not, then you can always create one. So I'm going to choose that right here. It's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. And you'll see the blue option that says Add to Chrome. And that's what you're going to need to do. So it's going to say checking. It's going to ask for permissions. You say, yes, I'd like to add this extension. And then it'll take just a couple of seconds. This extension isn't too terribly big to install, so it should go fairly quickly. You may even see down here at the bottom, adding to Chrome. Very nice. And then it's gonna pull open a website for you. So you'll see right here, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna close this to give myself some more room. So if you have Snapchat, go ahead and log in if you'd like. It'll sync those two. So if you change your Bitmoji in that application, it'll change it in Chrome. Or you can always log in with your Bitmoji account. You'll see on this page that there's no way for you to actually make one. This is how you would make it. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, you'll need to download the app on your phone, and that's how you actually create your digital self. You'll choose your hair, you'll choose your skin tone, you'll choose your clothes. All of that good stuff needs to happen very first thing on your phone. Then when you're done, you'll come back here and then sign in with that same exact account that you had before. So for me, I happen to use my Snapchat authentication, but you don't have to use that. You can do kind of whatever. So I'm gonna hit yes, because I've already logged in, so that's kind of why it's remembering me. So it'll say, continue back to the previous app, and I just hit continue. And then it says I'm logged in. So notice that's what step 2 is if you haven't created one, that's where you'll do it. So on your phone, and then come back to your computer. So add 3 Bitmojis to describe yourself, add some animation, and then choose one to add a comment to. So when you're ready to insert a Bitmoji, all you'll do is come up to your Chrome extension, click on that icon, and you're gonna see all these different options. So I'm a big fan of copy, you can already see that, so I'm just gonna click and drag it onto my slide. It'll say it's creating the image for me, and I'm just gonna do this and move it. All done. And see how it's transparent in the background, so it doesn't look kind of goofy. Really, really nice. I love it, I love it. So, and then you're gonna do the same thing. So in Bitmoji, you can even search for things at the bottom. So this one is gonna be your hellos, your goodbyes, your salutations. These are all your loving things. Oh, I love this, I love that. These are your exciting faces. Teachers, there is an option where it says grade A+. So that can be really fun when you're providing students feedback. And then these are the grumpy faces. So grumpy, and then obviously your celebratory. If you don't like these, you can always search. So you can put over here, good job. And it'll even pull up different options for you if you'd like. It's really, really nice. I'm a big fan of that. So let's say I like this one and drag on over. Creating the image again. All right, let me move it. And you can always make these bigger or smaller. So when you're putting them on kids' papers, maybe you make it a little bit smaller. But I like using Bitmoji because once my kids see the picture, they know I've left a comment on their assignment. So I always like to use this option, add a comment. And then, great job, let's say, Steven. I really enjoyed how you, ... So now when the kids go back to their work, once they see me on their slide, they know they've got feedback. So that's one of the best ways that I use Bitmoji. And that's how you do that. So now it says I also want to add some animation. So like this heart or this little high. So the place that I use is Giphy. Please be careful offering this website to students as there may be some inappropriate animations or pictures on here. So please keep in mind that this is a website to be used for teachers, not necessarily for your students. So I'm going to search for sparkle. I'm going to put a sparkle maybe behind my good job because it's a star, so maybe I want it to have some stars. So you'll see GIFs right here are the animations. You are going to choose the option right here that says stickers. Stickers have transparent backgrounds, so when you add them on your slides, it looks really nice. This one looks beautiful. I like it. I'm going to hit this link right here, and you'll see it say link is copied to the clipboard. When you're ready to add it to your Bitmoji, find the slide that you need, choose the insert image option right here, and choose by the URL, because that's what I just copied. And it says paste the image, so I'm going to paste it. Slides will give you a bit of a preview, and I'm going to click on insert. And now I've got some sparkles. I'm going to make it a bit smaller, and I'm going to put it right on top of my Bitmoji, so it looks like I've got some sparkles. I see that it's pink. I wonder, is there a way I can maybe change that color? Oh yeah, format options, recolor. Right now I'm not recoloring it, but there it is. Now it's yellow, and now it matches the stars. So that's how that works. But again, all the things to search. I like sparkle. Hearts is a really good one. So anytime you want to do an animated heart kind of coming up, confetti, that's a really good one. Be sure you do the last step of the task, making sure you go to one of your Bitmojis and add a comment how it could be used in your class. Thanks for watching, and can't wait for you to do the last task in this level.